Hey everyone, welcome back. It's time to learn how to stop apps from opening automatically on startup in Windows 11. If you want to prevent apps from opening automatically when your computer starts, you can easily manage them via the Settings app. It will help you improve your system's performance and even shorten boot time by preventing unnecessary apps from running automatically. That's it, let's get started. So first up, you have to launch the Settings app on your computer. And then you have to choose the apps option in the left hand sidebar. And then you have to scroll down and click on Startup. This will take you to a list of all the apps that are configured to start when your computer boots. In the Startup Apps section, you will see a list of applications along with a toggle switch next to each app's name. Now, all you have to do to prevent an app from opening at startup is just turn off their toggles, and that's about it. So that's how you can easily take control of apps at startup and prevent the unnecessary apps from launching automatically. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy Windows tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a good time. Bye bye.